Ooh. Welcome back to another video, guys. Before I begin, I do want to say make sure you go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the playlist that I created called Beatbox. It will appear at the end of the video. It is also in the description as well as the top of the comment section. I'm very sure that you will be amused with it. All right. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So today I'm going to be reacting to top 10 unique beatbox sounds. Number 10. I don't know what to call it. Tell me in the comments. Some type of inward bass.
Stop the bass, stop the fucking bass. If you're gonna stop the bass, stop the fucking bass. If you're gonna stop the bass, motherfucking bass. If you're gonna stop the bass, stop the fucking bass. Oh, yeah. No one can be like this. No one can be like this.
Hey. Sound like a damn bird.
Jump up. Stand a little less sticky. Oh my God.
Wow. That one was just intense. Sheesh.
Do I know you with that pick and roll? Do I play his
Tomazacre, unique sound, demon bass.
They said I used to boss it to the dance. Doubles in my print. That used to boss it to the print. So, don't tap. I used to boss it to the dance. Doubles in my print. I used to boss it to the print. So, don't tap. You're not ready for this. You're not ready for the bass. You know, ready for this. You know, ready for the bass. Ready for that? Now step.
I gave my blood, sweat, and tears for this country.
No.
I served this.
I was making this face because it sounds like that hurts. It sounds like a frog is in his throat. It sounds like he's coughing up. You know the uvula. I think that's the name of it. That's in your throat. The little dangly thing in your throat. Touch the little dangly thing in your throat. It sounds like he's coughing. That it sounds like, ugh. Sounds like a fish or like a frog or something. Oh my god. Unique sound. I don't know. Tell me in the comments. I don't even say this word, but their beatboxing is nasty, and I don't mean like in a bad way. I mean like nasty, like sick, like the wow. What was that? Helium. Some type of sax upgrade.
Диджей Олег, клуб «Вялый карандаш». Switch.
Okay, I ain't gonna lie. I didn't really like his. His, I didn't really care for. It wasn't bad, but that one just didn't strike my attention.
Every Georgian should be able to afford college. John Ossoff will fight to make public colleges and HBCUs 100% debt-free. John Ossoff for Senate. Early voting starts October 12th. For information, text VOTE to 51015.
Unique sound, inhuman existence.
Drop with the vortex. Switch. Slowing down with the liquid.
It sounds like he's drinking water.
Okay.
I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking pole. I'ma pull up with a stick and hit your motherfucking dope.
Okay. You okay?
what? I don't give a. So, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? 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 So what? I don't give a. Turn the fucking bass up.
Oops. That was amazing. My favorite one was number 3. I think his name was Vortex. The one who I think I said it sounds like he's drinking water. That was my favorite one. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video.